Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. May peace be upon us all. Distinguished President Director Mr. Pranata Setiawan, President Commissioner Mrs. Amal Fitria, Safety Manager Mrs. Novi Laras, and all of employees that I'm proud of you. It is an honor for me to be representative of the safety management to give a speech at this limited meeting. COVID-19 is a matter relevant to the current situation of the world. So let me give message and information to all of you at this company. As we know together, production activities in this company began to decline after the announcement of COVID-19's first case in Indonesia. This company began to home most employees to prevent the spread of COVID-19. This sort of thing is not just happening in our country. Out there, in different parts of the world, also experiencing the same thing. The workers' safety and health take precedence of everything. The government, through the Ministry of Manpower, has provided procedures for production activities during the pandemic period. Then, the Ministry of Health has also established health protocols that everyone should obey, so that companies that still rely on production activities must establish certain policies to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in the work environment. Let's give more attention to habit of keeping distance. The right thing to do is just stay at home. I know this is hard to do because it is our habitual to get together in a crowd. Everyone missed going out and meeting friends too. However, by staying at home, we minimize the chance of spreading this dangerous virus. For those of you who are divorced, you may use your social media, take a new skill, or take online courses. Use this moment to be a better and useful person. I know that there are many training and seminars were held online, and by following such activities, we will gain more skill and knowledge, especially in manufacturing production. Out of 15 million rupiah budget allocated by the company to provide employee leave compensation during the pandemic period. My hope is that you who are being divorced during this time remain stay at home and do not travel long distances. Safety management in this company is responsible for the health and employees despite being on work leave. Reduce gathering with outsiders, especially your friends. We don't know whether they are healthy or actually have the coronavirus disease. This virus is invisible and it's human to human spread. So we all have to be careful. Another step to prevent the spread of this virus is by routine hand washing. Once you have done an outdoor activity like shopping at market, please wash your hands with soap and cold water. Do not touch your face before you hand wash. Perfect a hand wash outside the house, as on the porch. Anyone is obliged to wash your hands before entering your house. To maintain body health, do exercise every morning. Gymnastics is the light sport that can be done wherever you are. Besides, eat food has balanced nutrition. Avoid buying ready food from outside, and please eat food which cooked at home. I know your wife is a great cook, don't you think? I suppose that's what I can tell you on the occasion at this time. Stay at home until further information, because this company will guarantee all your accommodation during leave. Give your best commitment to company to keep us all health given until the pandemic is end. Lastly, hopefully, this pandemic is over and the entire activity can run normally back. Therefore, please obey the established rules. Thank you so much for listening. You all have been great listener. Let's keep safe and never giving up or lose hope during this difficult time. You guys want everything back to normal, right? Akhirul kalam, wabillahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, have a nice day and good morning.